On this episode of TRB Today, we repower 33 Contender. So follow us on TRB Today, where we turn dreams into reality, one boat at a time.
Hey guys, welcome to TRB. Today we're going to go through a 33-foot Contender that we've just repowered. Our customer Corey wanted some new motors with a little bit more power, more performance. So we sat down with him, talked to him a little bit, tried to figure out what he wanted. We came up with 350 Verados that match this boat perfect. I think he's gonna have plenty of power, the responsiveness, everything that he needs out of these motors. Being that the old Yamaha controls didn't really hide behind the new Mercury stuff, we had to reconfigure the dash a little bit, put the new helm, new throttles. He got rid of all of his gauges and went with a Vessel View 5-inch screen. In that Vessel View, he'll be able to read all the diagnostics and everything that he needs to know from his engines right there. So that just cleaned up his dash a little bit. Now that we've got the boat repowered, we've got it sea troweled, we've got the right props on it, got it motors dialed in. Guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.